Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you this Runner 636 from Clevervan, 70,000 euro camper van, and let's have a quick look inside. Change the lighting here for you so you can see it a bit better from the camera. There we have a fridge, longish kitchen block, seats which are sort of contoured. You may or may not like the style. If you don't like the style, it's not suitable for you. This is on a Citroen base, and this could be on a Fiat Ducato as well. Here, I'll just let this lady talk. Oh, she's not going to say anything, so I'll continue talking. The panels up here, the what do you call them? The storage up here. We've got windows at the back in the doors. We've got windows, slit windows on either side. You can join this bit here together should you want. That's what it looks like under it. Alternatively, you can put it all to one side. You get more space below. Right, so we've got this the 6th day of the CMT. In German they said the date, but maybe it's a different date in the English language. Right, 636 centimetre long camper van, no thrills, except for a window in the door, and note also, hey, we've got storage in here as well, like that. Of course that'll mean there's no insulation. Not that I was expecting any.
Guten Morgen und ein herzliches Willkommen zum 6. Tag der CMT 2025. Wir wünschen Ihnen allen einen angenehmen und vor allem erfolgreichen Messetag hier in Stuttgart. Dear visitors and exhibitors, good morning and a warm welcome to the 6th day of the CMT 2025. We wish you a pleasant and successful day.
Oh, thank you. So, quick overview of this Runner 636, basic vehicle, no thrills, got lengthwise a sleeping arrangement, and thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Upload every day at 21:15, and there's somebody walking in front of me.